Welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create your account on the Foodiv website, set up your store or restaurant, and add your food items to the menu. Step 1. Create your account. Enter your email address, phone number, and password. Confirm your password and agree to the terms and policies. Click Create Account and continue. Enter the OTP sent to your registered phone or email to verify your account. Step 2. Business type. Choose business type. Enter all required business information such as business name, address, and contact information, etc. Click Save and continue. Step 3. Add outlet and menu details. Enter your outlet name and location. Start adding your food items. Enter the item name. Select or create a category. Add category description and image if needed. Choose whether the food item is veg or non-veg. Add price variants, small, medium, large, or other options. After entering all item details, click Save and continue. Step 4. Payment and delivery. Select payment option for online payments, enter your payment details. Add delivery method and charges. Step 5. Order and publish set order type and auto accept. Enter a valid store username. Click the Publish Store button. Once published, go to your dashboard and click on your store link. Congratulations! Thank you for watching.